Hello everyone, welcome to this video, where we'll be discussing how to prepare for CA. Becoming a CA is a challenging and rewarding career path. It requires hard work, dedication, and a strong understanding of accounting, finance, and taxation. But with the right preparation and guidance, you can achieve your goal and become a CA. Eligibility Criteria. The first step in preparing for CA is to check your eligibility. To become a CA, you need to have completed your 10+2 or equivalent examination. You can also enroll for the CA course after completing your graduation in commerce or a related field. Enroll for the CA course. The next step is to enroll for the CA course. You can enroll through the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI. The ICAI is the national professional accounting body in India responsible for regulating the profession of chartered accountancy in the country. Study material and coaching classes. Once you have enrolled for the CA course, you can start preparing for the exam. You can get the study material and practice manual from the ICAI. Additionally, you can attend coaching classes to get a better understanding of the subjects and to prepare for the exam. Clearing the CA exam. The CA exam consists of 3 levels: Common Proficiency Test, CPT, Integrated Professional Competence Course, IPCC, and the final examination. To clear the exam, you need to score the minimum passing marks in each level. The ICAI conducts the CA exam twice a year, in May and November. Practical training. After clearing the final exam, you need to complete 3 years of practical training. This practical training provides you with the hands-on experience you need to become a CA. You can complete your practical training with a CA firm or in a company as an internal auditor. Obtain the CA certification. Once you have completed your practical training, you can apply for the CA certification. The ICAI will verify your eligibility and, if everything is in order, you will be awarded the CA certificate. So, this is how you can prepare for CA. Remember, becoming a CA is a long-term commitment, and it requires hard work, determination, and a strong foundation in accounting, finance, and taxation. But with the right preparation and guidance, you can achieve your goal and become a CA. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe to Don't Forget It for more career guidance videos.